Hi everyone, this is Pramita here, and today this is going to be Etsy share of my, the digital kits that I've newly listed. So there are 4 kits that I've listed. These are all fussy cut elements. So the first is butterfly fussy cut, and the second is the bird fussy cut. So each of the kit actually has only one page, because there are a variety of butterflies. As you can see, no exactly same butterflies have been repeated. So when you buy this, you get each one of a different kind, so that you can reprint them as many times as you want, and you get a good variety of colors as well as sizes. So that's what I tried to keep in mind. So here you have around 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So there are 25 butterflies in this first kit. So these are butterflies fussy cut set 1. So I'll probably come out with more sets, I'm not sure. But this is the first set that I've come out with. So you get 25 butterflies in different sizes, and I will also show you a few projects that I will be doing with these, so keep watching for that. So that's one. I absolutely love how this butterfly looks. Even this one, if you have a bigger card or bigger page that you want this to stick on, so you can fussy cut these out. So this is set 1, and this is set 2. So again you have around 25 butterflies in different shapes and sizes and colors, and as you can see, no two exact butterflies have been repeated, so you get a fair good amount of butterflies. And so that's that. I absolutely love this one. So there are some watercolor effects also on some of them, and some of them are just plain butterflies, like this one. This also had made appearance in one of my digital kits. These two, even though they look very similar, they are not same. But yeah, I have a fair balance of pink butterflies and other colors also, so you can use them as you like. So another thing is that, so this is the bird fussy cut that I have. So this is kit number 1, set number 1. So I'll also I think I'll probably come out with more of these, so that is why I have named them set 1 and set 2. So you get a lot of birds over here, and of different sizes, as I said. And here you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 birds. And I'll tell you, once you fussy cut them out, you'll see that you can place them at different projects. Like some are facing to your right, some to the left, some are bigger, a little bit more colorful. And some are also sitting on branches. Some are not sitting on branches, but you can, just put them somewhere in your collage. They are especially good if you're doing some of your journal cards, collage cards, bullet journaling. Excellent for all these kind of things. And it's good to build up your stash on things like this. So as I said, I'll probably come out with a few more of these sets. So each one is very affordable. I think I have priced them about $1, so it's not very expensive. And you can also, print them as many times as you want. And here also you have around 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, around 15 birds. So because the birds take up a little bit more space, because they have their tails protruding. I just can't chop them off, so it would look odd. So that is why I couldn't accommodate more than this. These two birds have made appearances in my digital kits, collage kits. If you have seen them very closely, or if you have bought them, so you must have noticed them. And these are some of the birds. I absolutely love them. So this is the set 1 and this is the set 2. So these are the 4 sets that are available in my shop. But fussy cut butterflies set 1 and fussy cut butterflies set 2. Fussy cut birds set 1 and fussy cut butterflies set 2. So I'll put all the links below in the description box. If you're interested, you can see and check. But this is just the beginning. I will be adding more fussy cuts, in my shop. So keep watching and favorite my shop. And currently I'm having a sale on my existing digitals that I have in my shop, as well as some of the most of the physical items that I have in my shop. So you can see there is a 20% off on physical items and 15% off on digital items. So there's no code needed. So if you want, you can see what's available, and it's still free shipping. So even if you buy a physical item, you'll be able to get a free shipping. And on top of that, if you buy more than items worth more than $120, you get a total discount of 25% on the total. So that is also available. And I don't know how long I'm going to give this, but it's available right now. So if you want, you can see what you like. And these are already available, and they are getting very popular. So I hope you people like this, and hope to be back soon. Bye everybody, have a great day.